This is an emergency broadcast. The previous message declaring that it was safe to speak has been hijacked by the anomaly. That message was false. The danger is still present, and the anomaly continues to respond to human speech with fatal consequences. Under no circumstances should you speak. The threat is still active. Ignore the all clear message. It was unauthorized and part of the anomaly's influence. Remain indoors and silent until further notice. Communicate only through written notes, gestures, or muted devices. Do not speak. Authorities are working to regain control of the emergency alert system. Follow official instructions and disregard any conflicting messages. This is a life-threatening situation. Do not speak. Stay silent. Await further updates.